Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into Facebook security. Alright, did you know that some of these innocent looking third party apps and websites that you gave access to your Facebook might be secretly stealing your data? That is, they might be stealing your Facebook data secretly without your knowledge. Yes, it is very possible. Many third-party apps and websites have access to your Facebook data. Even if you don't realize it, this can include your personal information, photos, and even your friends' data. Oh yes, they can go to the extent of having your friends' data. Okay? So we need to take some security precautions. And this is risky because some of these companies can use your data for targeted advertising, or sell it to other companies, or even use it for malicious purposes. You see? And if a third party app is compromised, hackers can gain access to your Facebook account and potentially your entire life online, which is very, very, very dangerous. So now the question is, how do we stop them? Okay? How do we stop them? So I bring you good news today. It is very, very simple. So now let us go into the video and see how we can stop them. Okay, let's start by going to the Facebook first. Let me log into my Facebook. All right, we are here on Facebook. Okay, so when you are here, the next thing you should do is to click on your name. Click on your photo. Okay, then go to settings and privacy. Then click on settings. All right, so now let's scroll down to apps and websites. Okay, here we are. Okay, as you can see, this shows the apps and websites that have access to your information on Facebook. Okay, you can see all the apps that have access to my own data on Facebook. Okay, so now what do we do to limit their access to our data? Okay, so you need to check which of them that you don't need. Any of them that you don't need, you can just remove them. You can simply click remove. Like for example, this poll, this particular one, I don't need it. I don't even know when I added all these things, or when I used my Facebook to log into all these apps. You see, so let's remove this particular one now. Click remove, then and shake. You can unshake this thing, or you leave it like this. Allow Facebook to notify people that your login connection was removed. They may offer you another way to log in. I'm not interested. I don't want them to offer me another way to log in. So I will uncheck it. And I don't want Facebook to notify them that I have disconnected their access to my Facebook account. But if you want Facebook to notify them that you are disconnecting from them, you can leave it like this and just simply click on remove. Okay, but for me, I don't want to have anything to do with them anymore. So I need to uncheck it and click remove. Okay, now it's gone. All right. So now any of these ones that I want to still keep, okay, I will need to review the information they can access. I need to review my informations they can have access to. You can do that by clicking this view and edit. Okay. Okay. You see that this one now, this one have access to my name and profile photo here. This one is required. That one is not. That is a public information. Okay. But non-public information like email address, is here. They have access to my non-public information. I mean, my email address. They have access to my email address. They even have access to my friend list. As you can see, they have access to my friend list. So if I do not want them to have access to my email address, I can simply click remove, and I will remove their access to my email address. If I do not want them to have access to my friend list, I can simply click remove. Okay. And they will no longer have access to my friend list. Okay. But for now, let me just leave them like this. And again, here, this place, only me. Okay. This only me shows that I am the only one that we see that this TikTok app is having access to my Facebook account. If I remove it now and make it public or put friends, it shows that my friends will know that my TikTok is connected to my Facebook. Or if I choose public, anyone can easily see. Anyone that visit my profile or my Facebook can see that my TikTok is connected to my Facebook. But I don't want any other person to see it. That's why I shows only me. Okay. So if you want to make your own public, you can just click here. Okay. You can click here and it will be public. But as for me, I want it to be only me. Okay. So I still want my TikTok to have access to my email address. So I will not remove it. But I do not want them to have access to my friend list. So I will now remove it. Okay. I will remove their access to my friend list. You see, now I have limited them from having access. I have restricted them, from having access to my friend list. Okay. And not only these informations they can have access to, every app have different information they can have access to on your Facebook account. Okay, let's check this one. Let's view and edit and see what information this one can access. You see, this one can access my email address, my birthday, and my friend list. You see, which I do not want them to continue having access to all these informations. In fact, as a matter of fact, I do not need them anymore. I don't want them to continue having access to my Facebook. So I need to remove them, okay, entirely. I click remove. Okay, I uncheck this and I remove them. Okay, so this is how you continue to check, because as for me, I have a lot of apps and websites that have access to my Facebook account, which is very risky. Before now, I didn't even know that all these apps and websites have access to my Facebook information. If not that I'm making this video now, I wouldn't have even found out. Okay? I wouldn't have found out that all these apps, even if you click see more, you will see more. Oh my God, there are a lot of them. Oh my, I can still see more. There are a lot of them. I don't know when this happened, honestly. I don't know when I gave them access to my Facebook. I don't know when I even logged uh, in their platforms using my Facebook account. You see? So I don't understand when all these things happen. So I will take my time after this video. When I'm done making this video, I will take my time and review all of them. Okay? I will take my time and review one of them and remove the ones I can remove, and the ones the ones I want to keep, I will limit their access to my information. Okay. So friends, by taking these steps, these simple steps, you can significantly reduce the amount of information or data that third-party apps and websites collect from your Facebook account. Okay. I hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Stay safe online. Thank you.